Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can use Google Go app. If you haven't downloaded this, you can go to Google Play Store and search for Google Go. So if you read some description about this app from Google, see here, I already installed this. Once you click on open, this is the home screen what you'll see. As I read in the description, with this app we can directly use Google search bar with low data also. So there is a setting option where we can set we are on mobile data, so that the pages loading will be faster even if we have low internet connection. So the best thing which I like about this app is GIFs here. So if you click on this GIF options, you can search for various GIFs. The first option is search for GIFs, and the second is the categories: hi, fi, funny, good morning, good night, I love you. For example, if you want to send a GIF image regarding good night, these are all the images regarding that, and you can choose that. If I choose this, I can click on share. I can use one of the social messaging app to send it to my friends. See here, when I click on share, there are various options where I can send it to my friends. To social messaging apps like WhatsApp or Instagram or whatever app which is installed on your phone, if I choose WhatsApp here, I can send that particular GIF image to that particular one of the WhatsApp contact. So this is the #1 feature of Google Go what I like. And see here, if you click on search, these are all the trending topics as of now. So we can know the trending topics what are going on, and these are the search terms what I have searched before. If you don't want any of that, you can just tap and hold on that, you can remove it from. And there is an option, see here, we can directly click on this so that search terms won't be saved, means I'm going in incognito mode. So this is very easy. So if I click on OK, not my searches and my history won't be saved for this session. See here, until and unless I tap on this, so that I'm getting back to normal mode. And this discovery is about the news. Okay, right from this screen I can open some of the apps. I can directly open YouTube from this app. If I click on this, YouTube gets open, and I can check the downloads here. I can directly search for the images. Image search is made easy. So if I click on image and if I click on something for the keyword, I can search here. So I get images of various categories. So I can give the voice search by clicking on the second option. So by simple and quick access on low data we can use. On low data there is settings on right top, and you see here, if you click on this use lite mode, show basic web pages to save data, means with this we can load the pages even a little bit faster. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.